What is up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today, of course, on aftvnews.com, came across this article right here. And I'm going to say this to my Canadian family, folk. Yeah, that's a triple down for y'all, because after this article, you're going to see why y'all got the double whammy. All right? And plus, there's a little bit of the issue is happening here in the USA, the United States. But in this short article, it said Walmart has been struggling to keep its Onn streaming devices in stock, likely driven by a surge of Fire TV owners abandoning Amazon's streaming platform over its recent decision to block certain apps from being used. Availability of the flagship Onn 4K Pro appears even more limited in one region, where Walmart reportedly pulled the model from shelves to address an issue preventing setups. It says in 2024, Walmart added region locking to its Onn streaming devices to prevent models purchased in the U.S. from being set up in other countries. All right. So if you don't know, I think it was the United States, I think Canada, and Puerto Rico. All right. That's where the restrictions were. All right. Where we can use the devices. Everybody else had, restrictions not allowing them to set up the devices in those other countries. That decision is backfiring because now Canadian buyers are seeing messages this week, 123, on the Onn 4K Pro incorrectly stating the device is in an unsupported region, even when the unit was legitimately purchased in Canada. After visiting four Walmarts in Canada in search of the Onn 4K Pro, a Reddit user reports that associates at all locations informed them the devices was recalled due to the region locking problem. It appears as though the issue is only affecting the Onn 4K Pro, as they are able to find and purchase the regular Onn 4K. And I haven't found any reports of people being locked out of the settings up. Uh, no, being locked out of setting up the Walmart other on streaming devices. Sorry about that, guy. My voice is really is tired right now. I did a lot of talking today. But anyway, it goes to show you, man, uh, the Fire TV owners have Dish. They have Dish, those streaming devices. This goes for the United States, Canada, and probably Puerto Rico. The owners have said, forget that. We're not being left behind, and we about to jump on board on these Onn 4Ks, Pros, and the Onn 4K Plus streaming devices. Now, I recently went. Now, my main Walmart has them. I'm not gonna say who it is because I know some of y'all in southeastern Michigan, y'all be looking for these devices, and I'm not giving you the name of my source, okay? Because if I needed to go and get an Onn 4K Pro or Plus, I can go right there. Because the last time I went, I think I went over the weekend, Sunday, and it was like 5 Onn Pros and maybe about like 10 4K Pluses. So I grabbed a couple of them, which one is right here, right? One is right here. The other ones are upstairs, but I grabbed these because I knew somebody would probably try to get in and grab them and take them all up. But it's, I did go to another one. It wasn't nothing but the sticks up in there. I think I went to another one in, I almost said the city. And I think they had like one or two of the 4K Pro and the Plus. I almost just said it, but just in case I need them. Um, but yeah, there are some shortages going on. It's been reported not only in Michigan but throughout the country, and this is why I tell y'all, get your money and grab quite a few of them. That way you're not left in the dark. Really, when you got these Fire TV Stick owners, or they're leaving the Fire Stick and coming on over to where we're at, which we've been on the Onn streaming devices for about what 3-4 years now. And so we're really gonna have to do better for the ones that are that been using this streaming device for a while. So unfortunately, to my Canadian family, let me say sorry for Walmart for what y'all going through, because y'all getting the bad end of the sword, right? On both ends. I mean, you're getting the device, and then they're running out of the device. And then they pulled the device where now you don't have anything, and now you stuck with a device in your home saying 1, 2, 3. So, again, this is why I also tell people to actually get other devices. That way you're not stuck. So, for someone who may have 1 or 2 of these pros in their home, and now you're receiving that message, now you don't have anything. One key point I would tell you, you can find everything online if you just do the proper search. Do the YouTube terms and services. I'm not going to give you any other websites or URLs or anything. You will have to do it yourself and figure out what is out there. Because honestly, in today's time in 2026, you really don't need any type of streaming device no more. All you need is a browser. All right? And I'm going to leave you at that. For the people who are sharing my videos, big salute to you. To the people who are coming from Amazon on over to the On 4Ks, let me say welcome. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Also, again, share to all my people who are sharing it in their Facebook groups and other platforms. Also, if you thumbs up the video, that would do a lot for this video. And lastly, click that bell icon and select all. Select all. Don't do personalized. Select all. That way you get all the videos. Everything that I do on YouTube, you will get notified. Big salute to y'all. Again, I apologize to the people who are coming across this craziness right now, or you trying to get your hustle on, and every Walmart store you go to, there's nothing but them little old sticks. All right, you might have to go to the sticks if you really want to get your money going. All right, but salute to y'all. Y'all be safe out there. This is Superdell. I am signing out. Peace. I'm out, guys.